Hello everyone, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens, and we are going to, well, this is the first time for Tallene. 8 years ago, I think I did it with Shant when he was just half Tallene's age, releasing ladybugs. I'll probably link that video right now, it's an old one. Live ladybugs, we gave them the water a while ago and we put them in the fridge for a couple hours to put them to sleep. Wait till it's sunset or they'll fly around everywhere. It's probably best to do it at nighttime, but the thing is you won't be able to see this video if it's dark. Okay, let me shut the video off and take off these tabs. Shant? Yeah, he's like, no. Okay, do not drop this, okay? I'm gonna open and slowly put it on the ground. Hold it, hold it. Okay, put it on the ground. Now wave your wand on it, Tallene, wave your wand. Wave your wand. Say your potion on it, your spell.
Spell.
So your spell's called spell?
Yeah.
So you see, if it was really bright right now and I didn't put them in the fridge, they would have flown right now. And they would have flown in Sean's face.
It's not working.
It's not, your wand's not working? Well, maybe it worked on Lulu because she's barking and ruining this video. Put a spell on Lulu. Spell on Lulu. Every spell's called spell. Don't, be careful, you could step on him. Oh, you can come over here, there's none over there. Isn't that cool?
No.
All right, everybody. We'll do a garden tour in a little bit. I don't know what Lulu's doing, neighbor dog. Oh, jeez. All right, ready?
Look at that spider.
Spider? Already the spider's trying to kill him?
No.
Happy gardening, everybody. We'll do a garden tour in a little bit. Bye.